Hi there, this is Mike Rosenberg of Aleutia. I'm broadcasting from our office in London. This is a product we released about 4 months ago into the market, and it's been very popular with people doing digital signage. Now this is a Atom 330 plus an Nvidia Ion chipset, so it can do full 1080p playback. As you can see in the front, we have a pair of USB ports, SD card slot, audio in and out, power and reset button. Now if I rotate it around to the back, we have DVI, HDMI, and this supports dual monitors as well as HDMI audio, gigabit LAN of course, 19 volt DC input, 4 USB 2 ports, and a header for 802.11n wireless which comes with the system. Now we sell this with 2 or 4 gigs of RAM and either a hard drive up to 500 gigs or an SSD if you want something a bit lower power and quicker. What I'm going to show here is this system running Android 2.2, which is an extremely lightweight and open source operating system. So I'm just connecting this monitor with a DVI to VGA adapter. I have Android 2.2 loaded on this USB stick, and actually because it's so lightweight it runs pretty quickly in live mode, so there's not always a need to install it locally. Connecting up the mouse and keyboard to some of the rear ports, and then this is the small AC adapter that comes with it. I'll just plug that in, turn the power button on, set that down there, and we can see here power consumption is around 16 to 17 watts. We'll just get past the splash screen. And it prompts us to go into live Android 2.2. Now normally we ship these systems with Ubuntu 10.10, which has full Nvidia Ion drivers, version 185, or we can put it with Windows 7, which has a more up-to-date Nvidia Ion driver, 265. So we can see it's been detected pretty quickly, and we will shortly be booting Android. I think the OS size is only about 50 or 60 megs. And we can also run Android 1.6, but everyone wants to run 2.2, and hopefully soon we'll have Android 2.3 running on this. And power consumption's jumped to about 22 watts as it boots up, and you can see I'm pretty quickly in the system, so it's about 15 seconds. I go into apps. It's reasonably responsive. Escape, I get back in there if I want to go into Notepad. And generally it's pretty responsive. Thanks very much.